Alright, so this video is going to be real fast. It's going to show you how to search Khan Academy by topics. It's like the best thing ever. So when you're in Khan Academy, you go to search. Let's say you're like working on fractions. Man, fractions suck. I don't understand fractions. Two things. A, fractions do not suck. Second thing, B, yes, you do understand fractions. You just need a second to figure it out. So I'm going to search for fractions. When I search for fractions and just tap enter, you're going to see that all these different topics come up. Now, if you know exactly what you need, you're like, I need fractional exponents. Click that. But if that's not where you're at, here's what I would do. I would click this button, Topics. When you click Topics, this shows you all the topics associated with fractions. Now, again, you can get real specific. Dividing fractions by fractions. I got to learn that. But if just in general, you're like, man, fractions are lame. Click Fractions. So you click this first one, and when you see this like blue thing, I think what this means is it's a full series. It's like everything they got on fractions. Versus this right here is like a video specifically. It's like a little screen capture video. I'm going to click the one that says fractions. So I click fractions. Now it brings up a page, and this is really where Khan Academy gets cool, is that they've mapped out everything you would need to know to go from like, what's a fraction? Introduction to fractions, to like all the way down here, one step at a time, I can do like dividing fractions by fractions, which is bananas. So if you start down here dividing fractions by fractions, but you don't really understand what a fraction is, you're just not ready for it. It's not that you can't do it, it's just that your brain's not ready for it. You got to build some basic knowledge. So what you would do is go in order. You would start with Introduction to Fractions. Now, when you click Introduction to Fractions, the only hard part of the site is that you have to watch the video, and you have to listen to it. Like, don't watch it silently. That'd be like listening to your teacher while they go, right? You can't hear anything they're saying. It's not going to make any sense. So watch the video. Pay attention. If it's confusing, go back and rewatch the video. It's your learning. Take control of it. After you watch a video, you get to go to the next video. All right, there's another video. Okay, I got to watch another video. At this point, 3 videos. It's getting a little old, but I watched it. I sucked it up, and I made it through. Okay, now I'm going to go to this. When you see a little star, you know it's time to play. You get to play the fraction game, or in other topics, the name of that topic game. And when you're playing the game, I know my stupid face is in the way, you can get some different choices. One is, you can, if you think you know the answer, give them an answer, like 7. It's not the right answer. Okay? And then, if you're not quite sure, you can say, I'd like a hint. And they'll give you a hint. Okay, I'd like a hint. To find the numerator, count the red blocks. Sweet. And then, stuck, watch a video. And then you can click watch a video, and you get to review the concepts. And then look at, there's these other videos down here, but maybe you want to review those also. Because maybe you missed something along the way, which happens. We're people, you miss things. It's totally normal. And once you feel like you got it, you got it. You check answer, you move on. So what fraction is shaded red below? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8. So I'm going to say 5 and slash mark, because that's just me like coding the word out of 8. 5 out of 8. Let's see. Check answer. Check answer. Check answer. Incorrect. What fraction is shaded red below? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8. This rectangle, oh no, this rectangle represents 1 whole out of 4. So, dude, I'm confused. Show the next hint. There are 5 red blocks. Okay, yeah, gotcha, there are 5 red blocks. Show me the next hint. Find the denominator, total blocks. Yeah, I got that. How do I write it then? There are 4 blocks in a rectangle. Still don't understand. Show me the next hint. The answer is 5/4. So you can get the answer. The thing is, though, if you get this many hints, the people are going to, get over, Mr. Smith. The answer, they're going to, on Khan Academy, like, dude, you don't know this. You need to practice it some more. So they're not going to count it as a right answer. So don't just, like, click through, show me next hint, show me next hint. Because you want to be able to report what you actually know, because then that's how you move on. All right, that's how to search fractions and keep Mr. Smith out of your stupid videos.